Welcome to Next Gen Garage. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the future, the 2026 BMW M5. When you hear the name M5, it immediately brings to mind power, precision, and a perfect blend of luxury with motorsport DNA. And now, with the 2026 model, BMW is rewriting the rulebook by merging traditional M performance with cutting-edge hybrid technology, ensuring that the M5 remains a legend even in the electrified era of performance cars. The first thing to know about the 2026 BMW M5 is that it's no longer just about raw V8 power. BMW has introduced a plug-in hybrid system that pairs a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with an advanced electric motor. Together, this setup generates a staggering 717 horsepower and around 735 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful M5 South ever built. With this level of output, the sedan rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds, which is breathtaking for a car that's also designed to carry you in luxury and comfort. This hybrid approach not only boosts performance but also ensures better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, meeting the demands of the modern automotive landscape. When it comes to design, BMW has kept the 2026 M5 aggressive yet refined. The iconic kidney grille is larger but more streamlined, complemented by sharp LED headlights and muscular lines across the hood. The body is sculpted to balance aerodynamics with an athletic stance, and wider fenders emphasize its performance intentions. At the rear, you'll notice a sleek diffuser and quad exhaust tips that remind you this is still a true M machine. Optional carbon fiber exterior accents add a touch of motorsport character while keeping weight in check. Step inside, and the cabin is a perfect marriage of luxury and performance. The 2026 BMW M5 comes with BMW's latest curved digital display system, combining a massive infotainment screen with a fully digital driver's cluster. Powered by BMW's iDrive 9, the system supports intuitive voice commands, seamless smartphone integration, and even over-the-air updates. The M-specific displays highlight performance metrics such as G-force, lap times, and hybrid power distribution, ensuring that the driver always feels connected to the car's heart. Premium leather, carbon fiber trims, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere, while bolstered M Sport seats keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. Driving dynamics have always been the soul of the M, and the 2026 model elevates this tradition. The car features BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which can shift power between the front and rear wheels depending on driving conditions. Enthusiasts will love the ability to switch to rear-wheel drive mode, allowing for that raw, old-school M5 excitement. Adaptive suspension, active roll stabilization, and precise steering ensure the car handles like a dream, whether on highways or twisty back roads. And with regenerative braking integrated seamlessly, the hybrid system recaptures energy without compromising the sporty feel. One of the most exciting aspects of this new M5 is its electric-only capability. Thanks to a high-capacity battery pack, the car can travel around 25 to 30 miles on electric power alone, perfect for short commutes or city driving. This makes the M5 surprisingly versatile, quiet, and emissions-free in daily use, yet thunderous and thrilling when the V8 and electric motor work together. Safety and technology also take center stage. The 2026 M5 is equipped with BMW's latest driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous driving for highways. However, BMW makes sure the car always feels driver-focused, with systems that enhance rather than replace the joy of driving. Overall, the 2026 BMW M5 represents a bold new chapter in the legendary M lineup. It respects its heritage by delivering raw power, thrilling, handling, and track-capable performance, while also embracing the future with hybrid technology, improved efficiency, and advanced connectivity. It's a car that proves you don't have to choose between performance and progress. You can have both in one thrilling package. So, if you've been wondering whether electrification would dilute the M5's spirit, the 2026 model makes it clear. The future of performance is not just alive, it's more exciting than ever. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 BMW M5. If you're as excited as we are about this revolutionary sports sedan, stay tuned because Next Gen Garage will keep bringing you the latest updates on the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.